Good night to one and all. Whether if it's day or night you are seeing this video. This is Shortboss Comedy and I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
And I do hope that you have a wonderful time spent with your friends and your family.
I know 2020 would have been a very rough year and I hope 2021 gonna be even better. Wish you best in 2021. Yeah.
Whether you're watching from a Caribbean or abroad, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Shortboss Comedy. Who wanna pop some champagne?
We are gonna pop champagne right now. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. Ho ho ho!
Yeah!